Hello! Welcome to our Drawing Lessons channel. Today, we will be drawing a kitty together using our hands. For this, you will need drawing paper and colored pencils or markers.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button,
so you won't miss our new drawing lessons. Ready to start? The most important thing is to position your hand correctly. Let's make your little kitty right here, looking at the mommy cat. And the mommy cat will be right here. And Moana, the kitty, will be nearby. Let me open it for you, and you can watch how to draw.
How should I place this hand?
Watch closely. I'll show you right now. Take your hand. Make a fist. And make your pinky and index fingers a little longer. Just like that. We got it on the first try. See how to outline it. This is how I outline it, and I make the ears sharp.
Mommy, can we start drawing now?
Yes, you can. We've got a kitty here. The main thing is to make the ears sharp. Let's finish the rest. This is how we draw its head. And now let's draw the kitty's body. Let's wait for Moana to catch up so she can see how to continue drawing. Let's outline my hand now. This is how we draw the mommy kitty. We've got another kitty here. Let's fix it a bit. Now let's draw its paws and face. Draw one paw. Then the other.
There you go, Mommy.
Well done. You've got a chubby kitty. But it's okay, it will look great. Now, draw its paws. Follow me. And the adult kitty also needs paws. Now let's draw the eyes, nose, and other parts. Also, let's add ears. See how nice and kind he looks. Let's draw whiskers too. Let's draw everything we need for the kitty and its mommy. Well done! Now we can add spots and color.
Mom, I want to make my kitty striped
Sure, you can.
and have a pink nose.
What color do you want? Let's color yours. Here's a pink marker for you to color the ears and nose. Moana, here's a yellow marker for you.
Are there yellow cats?
I'll make it orange. Now let's switch colors.
Yes, I want orange.
Just look at what a nice kitty you've drawn. You were crying that he's chubby, but he turned out very cute. It doesn't matter how well your child drew this picture. The most important thing in this drawing lesson is to develop imagination and fine motor skills. Now, let's show how ours turned out. Show it. Well done.